This rule often helps to provide applicable workers' compensation coverage to injured workers when they're injured, but their employer has failed to purchase workers' compensation insurance coverage. The basic idea of this rule is that the workers' compensation insurance of a principal or intermediate contractor will apply when a subcontractor doesn't purchase workers' compensation coverage and one of the subcontractor's employee is injured. This rule often protects employees of subcontractors who suffer work-related injuries on construction sites, but there are special requirements that must be met for this rule to apply. One of the primary requirements is that the injury must have occurred on, in, or about the premises where the principal or intermediate contractor, who's going to be deemed to be the statutory employer, undertook to execute work or were otherwise under their control or management. Now, in a construction injury situation, this would often include the construction site itself because the subcontractor has been hired by the intermediate contractor or general contractor to come and do work on that particular site. But sometimes it can also include areas outside of the specific construction site. So if you suffer an injury that doesn't occur on the construction site, there may still be an argument that you were on the premises that were under the under the principal contractor or intermediate contractor's control or management.